everyone, my name is Prachi. I would like to say about the speech on the importance of environment. Environment is very important for all living beings. It's around us. Without environment is nothing. Environment includes trees, vegetarians, natural resources, and fresh water, air. That's all around us. Environment gives us a free life that we can survive without hesitate, without suffocations. Environment give us to way to how to be interact with people without any suffocations. Environment includes highly mountains, highly trees, and every that can things that that can be important for human survive. Important, but nowadays environment is harms with many kinds of ways. That is like the pollutions, air pollutions, water pollutions. There's a lot of kind of pollutions. I can say about that people can harm the environment, of course, for the profit of their own purpose. But this is not enough for the future generations. It is believed that environment is have to be secure the environment for the future, because the upcoming generation is to be don't survive without environment. A fresh air, fresh water, it's necessary for all living beings. You can see that in today's world that what is we can see that in here that the role of environment, the nature is very damaged. The nature is very angry to be all human beings, because we all our human beings have to be छेड़छाड़ करते जो भी है, so that we can see that the news, the lot of flooding waters from the Punjab and all over around in India, that is the most of the rainfall. We can see that nature that not have to be such as these things, like we have to that things that nature will have to be protected, because nature give us all everything that we can have to be earth, nature, we can all environment, it has to be give and everything, so we can protect them. We have to be aware about them. We have to be don't pollute our environment, don't pollute our space. We have to be consume water and protect water, and save electricity also. And I can say that as last, environment give us everything. We have should be protect environment for the future generation. Thank you. I'm proud of you. Thank you.